Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best thing you can do is grab a cheap meat thermometer, and check a wing. If it's 165 degrees, it's done. There's a perfectly cooked state exactly at 165 that is amazing on breast, but on dark meat, can offend people who prefer white meat.
Take our lead.
The key to getting the sauce to stick to your wings is the flour, Sidoti explains. Before you toss your wings in the sauce, be sure to coat them with enough flour or dry mixture. Make sure to dredge the entire wing before tossing it in your chosen sauce. This will help ensure an even distribution of sauce too.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Most oven-baked chicken wings are tossed in sauce after they have been cooked. Which means that the skin needs to be perfectly crisp to soak up all that the sauce. Thoroughly pat the wings dry with paper towels before seasoning with salt and placing on a baking sheet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.